If your hands sound like a bowl of Rice Krispies, you might be worried about arthritis. Don't snap yet. So, does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? The short answer is no. Studies, including one by a doctor who cracked just one hand for 50 years, show no link to arthritis. That popping sound, it's just gas bubbles bursting in the joint fluid. So relax, cracking knuckles might annoy folks around you, but it won't give you arthritis. Keep those fingers nimble and myth-busted.